Hi everybody, it's Amy. So update on the compost. I'm about to put bread in it because a couple pieces went moldy. I never ever finish a whole loaf of bread ever. It's starting to look gross. We've put so many new things in here, newspaper, apples, cardboard, so much stuff. It looks really gross. It still smells like citrus, crazy enough. It's freezing rain out, so I'm not transferring it outside yet until maybe on the weekend. We'll see how the weather is. But I'm going to cut up this bread. I'm going to put the bread in there too. And then we do a big shake. We put anything except dairy, meat, stuff like that has been going in here. And it was full. Like, I want to say even like up to here. But it's starting to decompose now. So, yummy. Anybody hungry? I'll give you some. Okay, guys, so that filled it up. It'll be interesting to see in a couple of days how this decomposes, what it looks like. It definitely freaks me out. The germaphobe in me, it's definitely freaking me out, but I'm going to stick with this. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any tips or tricks for gardening or composting, please let me know in the comments below. Talk to you down there.